Hello and welcome to another episode. This one's going to be good. I've got the Disco Forklift truck Mango Pale Ale, which I showed you in the last video. We're going to see if this Pale Ale is better than the Northern Monk Mango Pale Ale. Now, because this is a 330ml, as far as I'm aware, 5.1%. I like the can and everything, but the name over the design drew me to it, although Mango Pale Ale also drew me to it, but obviously it's a Schooner glass job here, 330ml can. I've not tried any Drygate before, so this should be good. Pouring it out. It looks like it's going to be clearer than the Northern Monk Mango Pale Ale, but we'll see. Yeah, definitely. You see right through that. Different drink altogether. Almost looks like cider. It's got a bit of a cleaner smell to it. The Northern Monk you kind of smell the alcohol in it, whereas this is much more. I mean, there was mango before. This smells a bit cleaner than Northern Monk, but nowhere near as strong. Even the mango part of it, and also before I drink it, the head is a lot whiter than the tan on the Northern Monk. It's there. Again, that is the selling point. And there's a tropical kind of taste on the tongue, but it's almost like when you have tea, and it's more in the air almost that you're breathing in. You then taste it on your tongue rather than in the actual liquid. There's sort of oakiness to it as well. Almost bitter, but not in the way that a bitter is. It's more of an oakiness to it. Don't expect anything that's going to be very fruity, very kind of almost alcopop kind of thing. Sorry about the lighting here, but that's a Disco Forklift truck for you. I think I was expecting to like this more than Northern Monk. And maybe if I tried them the other way around, I would have. But Northern Monk, which I've still got here for reference, I think that one's better. This one was a bit of an anomaly, and it's quite nice. You kind of got that tropical hit on the end. Like the finish of it is tropical, but it's just like an oakiness, like almost earthiness to it. It might just be my taste buds. What did you think of it if you've tried it? Again, I don't necessarily dislike this. It just doesn't seem to be what I expected from it being a Mango Pale Ale, the can and everything like that. But it's quite decent. If you've tried it, tell me what you think. If you haven't, go out and try it and support these small breweries, because even when they make stuff you don't like that much, there's always some other ones that they do, and we've always got to support them other than just people buying, insert brand of lager here every week. But cheers to that. What do you want me to try next? Also, trying to get you comment in the videos. Would you rather I do more than one drink in a video? I could have done this and the Northern Monk in the same video, but didn't want to cheat you out of two videos. But I might start grouping them together. Tell me what you think about that. Always, keep watching the skies. Keep watching YouTube. Keep supporting each other and keep talking about beer, whether it's in the comments here, in the comments somewhere else in someone else's video. Just talk about the beer. Keep the conversation going. I'll see you next time. But you know where I'll see you right now. I'll see you. Not you. Sorry. Move aside. Yeah, sorry. You. I'll see you in the rear view. Because for now, I'm gone.